morning, children. Yes, good morning. Learn more to enfill your mind with intelligence. In our daily life, we come across different substances. Name some taste you feel, children. Yes, good, sour, bitter, salt, sweet. Name some substances which are sour in taste. Yes, tamarind, grapes, curd, lemon. Tamarind, grapes, curd, lemon, etc. They are sour in taste. They are which taste? Sour in taste. Yes. Next, sodium bicarbonate and green tea. Sodium bicarbonate and green tea are bitter in taste. Bitter in taste. What are acids? What are base? What are acids? What are base? Acids and base are one of the chemical compounds which play significant role in every field of science. Listen, children, what are acids and base? Acids and base are chemical compounds. Which play significant role in every field of science. What is acid and base? Acid and base are one of the chemical compounds which play significant role in every field of science. They are biologically, environmentally, environmentally and industrially. Industrially important compounds. They are biologically, environmentally, industrially important compounds. Now we can see some of the examples. Aspirin. What is aspirin? It is a medicine. That is aspirin, it is a which one? Medicine. It is acidic. Antacids. Yes. What is antacids? It is a medicine for good digestion. Antacids are basic. Antacids are basic. Listen, children, tamarind, grapes, curd, lemon, they are sour in taste. They said to be acidic. Sodium bicarbonate, green tea, they are bitter in taste. They are said to be basic. Then, what are the acids and bases? Acids and bases are chemical substances, chemical compounds which play significant role in every field of science. Next example, dietary fats. What is dietary fats? Some fats are found in the food we eat. That we can say the dietary fats. Dietary fats are acidic. Then chemical compounds in DNA also base. Some of the chemical compounds which are found in the DNA molecules, that also which one? Base. Now we are going to study about the properties and the uses of which one? Acids and base. What are acids? Yes, listen children, the term acid is derived from the Latin word. It is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means soap. All acids contain one or more replaceable hydrogen ions. Replaceable hydrogen ions. All acids contain one or more replaceable hydrogen ions in their molecules. What is molecules? Molecules are substances can be divided without changing its chemical nature. What is molecules? Molecules are substances can be divided without changing its chemical nature. When acids are dissolved in water, they releases hydrogen ions. When acids are dissolved in water, they releases H plus ions. Example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Then HNO3, nitric acid, HNO3, nitric acid. Listen children, acids, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, then nitric acid releases hydrogen ions when they dissolve in water. They releases hydrogen ions when they dissolve in water. For example, hydrochloric acid releases hydrogen ion and chloride ion when dissolved in water. Hydrochloric acid releases hydrogen ion, chloride ion when dissolved in water. Second one, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid releases hydrogen ion and sulfate ion when dissolved in water. Sulfuric acid releases hydrogen ion and sulfate ion when dissolved in water. Then acids. What is acids? Acids are defined as the chemical substances which release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Define acids. Acids are defined as a chemical substances which releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Acids are defined as the chemical substances which release hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Acids are classified into organic acids, and inorganic acids depending on the sources. Acids can be classified into organic acids, inorganic acids depending on the sources. Organic acids and inorganic acids. Weak acids. Inorganic acids are strong acids. Organic, weak acid. Inorganic, strong acid. Organic acids and their sources. Organic acids and their sources. Name of the acid. Name of the acid and its source. First one, citric acid. Citric acid is found in oranges, lemons. Second one, lactic acid is present in sour milk. Third one, oxalic acid is present in tomatoes. Acetic acid is present in vinegar. Malic acid is present in apples. Tartaric acid is present in tamarind. Puli, tamarind. Citric acid, oranges and lemon. Lactic acid, sour milk. Oxalic acid, tomatoes. Acetic acid, vinegar. Malic acid, apples. Tartaric acid, tamarind. Next one, inorganic acids. Yes. On the other hand, man produces acids artificially in industries. Artificially in industries. These are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. These are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. On the other hand, man produces acids artificially in industries. These acids are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. Say the example. Say all of you. Yes. Hydrochloric acid. Good. Sulfuric acid. Good. Then what? Nitric acid. HNO3. Recall what we have learnt so far, children. The term acid is derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Hydrochloric acid releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Sulfuric acid releases hydrogen ion and sulfate ion when dissolved in water. Organic acids are found in oranges, lemon, sour milk, tomatoes, vinegar, apple and tamarind. Then inorganic acids, man produces acids artificially in industries. These all acids are called mineral acids or inorganic acids. Example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Children, you have to learn about what is organic acid, what is inorganic acids and their sources also, and you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you, children.